What up, it's BC with Oh Boy Customs, and today I'm going to do a couple of hoodies for our paintball team using the 50/50 Gildan hoodies from Jiffy Shirts and transfers from Transfer Express, screen print. Preheat my hoodie for a couple of seconds to check my pressure. Usually have a lint roller, but we're winging it today. Four fingers down, about 3 inches. Make sure it's lined up straight. Impressed. Good thing about Transfer Express, it has these lines on the back to help line everything up. Press 5 seconds. And then we peel. Oh, that's nice. Looks like my heat press got disconnected. It was preheated at 360.